Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok your birthday not changing. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok your birthday not changing, you should just go settings. After that, in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to the window of TikTok. When you'll find this list of app and you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. Then you can go to Play Store. You will find an uninstall and you can uninstall again your app to fix that problem you have on TikTok. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.